All right, we're gonna go ahead and mix this all together. We just started with our green and red sanding sugar. Oh my gosh, this is actually really satisfying to put together. Don't you just want to stick your face in it and eat it? It looks so good, and I know it's just sugar, but who doesn't love a little bit of sugar? All right, look how Christmassy this is. I'm so excited for Christmas. We have like less than a week left. Oh my goodness. There we go, look at that. That looks perfect. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and scooch this over just a teensy bit. Now I can go ahead and bring my cupcake pan in there. And the cookie dough sugar cookies. I'm so excited to eat these babies. Ooh, they look like they're ready to fall out on me. All right, let's go ahead and take one of these and douse it in these sprinkles. Oh, look at that. It sticks so perfectly to it. All right, let's go ahead and put that there. And let's do it to the rest of them so we can fill up that entire thing of Christmas cookies. Oh my gosh, I want to eat it right now. This looks like I should just stick my face in and eat it right now. But I won't, because I'm a perfectionist and I need this to be perfect and fill up everything properly. All right, look how cute these are with the sprinkles. Oh my gosh, it literally fits so perfectly all together. Right, let's just fill this up on sprinkles. This is literally the cutest idea ever. I seriously love the Christmas sprinkles. And honestly, you could do this with any sprinkles, but I think the sugar sprinkles work the best for it.
That's a great idea.
Oh, thank you. I love making cookies around Christmas time, not only for Santa Claus, but just in general. It's like tradition to just make cookies for the holidays. And today, as we're recording this, it happens to be National Baking Cookies Day. So we're gonna bake so many cookies and this house is gonna smell amazing. There we go, look at that. Oh my gosh, just two more.
I can't wait.
I know, me neither. I might be rushing this process just a little bit just because I'm so excited to eat them. But it honestly is a quick process in itself anyways, which is so lucky for us. And there we go, there's our last one. There we go. Ooh, look how good.
Those look so delicious.
All right, now I can go ahead and move this one out of the way here. And these babies are ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Oh my goodness, look at those. They are adorable. So let's go ahead and get that down. And now we have this little sprinkle bottle, but don't mind the sprinkles. We're just gonna smush that cookie. Oh, you guys probably think I'm terrible for doing that, right? Ooh, okay. We're smushing all of these right in the middle, nice and hard. Ooh, this is wanting to come off, isn't it? And you could use anything. The most circular thing we could find that was about the size we wanted was this little sprinkle bottle, which we've got just so many sprinkles ready for Christmas. And we're gonna use all of them up. All right. Oh, there we go. And one more. Let's get that down in there. There we go. All right, now it's just a little hot still, so I'm gonna go ahead and move this over a little bit and pull this platter in. And, ooh, I got my special little tool here. Let me just go ahead. Ooh, that picks that up real nice. Let's just get all of those out. I have no idea what this tool is, so do not ask me, but I just needed something, and it was something that we had.
It's like a baking tool.
Yeah, probably. It's pretty interesting looking, but we don't need special baking classes or anything. We just are so awesome that we do it flawlessly on our own. Look how beautiful that looks. All right. Woo, these look so nice. I'm so excited. All right, and now we've got our cherry pie filling and our little scooper.
Of course.
So let's go ahead, get some chunky cherries. This might be too much. Let's see. Oh, that looks perfect. Oh my gosh. You know what this looks like? This looks like those little cookies that you buy in the tin can where it's got all of the shortbread cookies with the filling on top. Oh my gosh. We just figured out how to make them homemade. Look how good. Oh my gosh. And those cherries. My mouth is watering.
Those look so good.
These look amazing. These are practically gourmet Christmas cookies at this point.
I was just going to say that. Gourmet cookies.
Gosh, call me Gordon Ramsay of baking. This is looking so good. good.
What a great idea.
Oh my gosh, yes. And it's so easy. It tastes like, what is this, 3 ingredients? Gosh. All right, look at that. All right, and now we've got some original whipped cream, which I love. And I'm not gonna be that person who just takes a big old bite out of this right away, I promise. At least not this time.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that one's mine, just so you know. We'll just do a little bit for the rest. You guys don't need that much, right?
Katie's loving the whipped cream.
Gosh, I could just slurp down a whole can of whipped cream in one sitting if I wanted to. Oh my gosh, these look so good! Oh, that one got a little haywire. There we go!
Wow. Perfect.
Oh my goodness, those look awesome. And bringing back those sprinkles we had earlier. I knew we were gonna use these, right? So let's go ahead and just sprinkle a little bit. Oh my gosh, look how cute!
So cute.
Those are so freakishly adorable.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Those are amazing!
They match the cookie.
And for our final little topping, just a garnish on the top, candy canes! You can never go wrong with a little bit of a candy cane. Because look how cute. Actually, that one's big, so I want that one for mine. There we go.
So cute.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so sweet. If you love sweets like I do, you are gonna love these. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I might have to eat all of these right away. just warning you now. These are gonna be gone if you don't take one right away. There we
Wow.
go. Those look so good. Oh my gosh. I don't even know, man. I need all of these. These might have to be all mine. All right, I think you should try one first, just to see. Here you go.
Okay, I got my plate here. Which one am I gonna try? I'll take this one because this one doesn't have very much whipped cream, and I don't want like a ton of whipped cream like you do. So cute! Oh, I cannot wait to try this with that whipped cream and the cherry filling. I don't know about the candy cane. I'm gonna save that for last. That is good. It's like a little pie crust. So delicious. Wow. Look at that. Yum.